9. How do I file my VAT returns now? Easy peasy. Everything is digital. So all you do is to visit the GRA EVAT portal or a certified invoicing system. That's all. The returns are due by the last day of the following month. What does that mean? So it means that the VAT you collect for, say, January, on January sales, must be filed by the end of February. And this is one of the benefits of registering as a VAT entity, because you get interest-free loan. Let me explain that to you. This is in the VAT class, Principles of Taxation, Advanced Taxation. We're going to be discussing that. You get an interest-free loan. So the sales for January, you have up to ending of February to file the VAT on that. What it means technically is that the VAT you have collected, you can keep it for 1 month as a short-term source of finance to you, interest-free, to run your business as quickly as possible. Then, by the end of the month following the month of sales, you can go and register, or you can go and file the VAT returns in that case. Then the last one here, question number 7. Why did my favorite store prices go up or down with these changes? Now, it depends on what is happening here at the end of the day. For instance, many of the things are going to see a reduction in price. Many of the things. So you have seen the news about the telecommunication companies. MTN has sent out notification about downward price adjustment due to the VAT system. Because if you buy credit, you buy internet bundle, the VAT is in there. COVID-19 is there, NHIL is there, the VAT itself is there, then communication service tax is there. And now that we are decoupling the NHIL and everything, and COVID-19 levy is also out, it means technically how much they charge will also have to reduce. However, on the other hand, the other businesses, the other entities that were previously using the 3% flat rate system, because now everybody must use the unified system, what it technically means is that they may be selling at a higher price than they used to sell. Get the understanding here. Until GRA brings a directives on what they are supposed to do, then they are going to be charging quite a higher price. Because, and as at the time I'm recording this, they haven't issued any guidelines on that yet. But this is the thing. So what is happening is that first you were charging 3% flat rate system, right? So if the product was 100 Ghana cedis, 3% of 100 Ghana cedis was 3 Ghana cedis. And so you will pay 103 Ghana cedis when you buy. But now that everybody has come to the unified system and the flat system has been abolished, it means that entity that was charging 3% will now have to charge 20%. So instead of 103 Ghana cedis, you have to now pay 120 Ghana cedis, which means their price will go up. So that is a little nuance that you must understand there. 99.99% of the time, you're going to see a downward price adjustment because of the new VAT reform. But the people who are under the 3%, until GRA gives directives on whether they must be deregistered or not because of the threshold principle, they will now have to charge 20%. And if they are going to charge 20%, it means their price will go up than they were selling at under the flat rate system. These are some of the things that you must understand about the new VAT reform. On the overall, this is providing quite a relief to businesses and as well as to individuals, because it means you're going to see a reduction in your internet cost, in your airtime cost. If you go and eat at a restaurant somewhere, you're going to see slightly reduction in the total amount that you are going to pay on the overall. And as a business owner also, you are going to see a reduction in your cost, because now the NHIL and Get Fund, you can get a relief for it. That's a good news for you. And then if your sales, you are not a service organization and your sales is not up to 750,000 Ghana cedis, then you are not supposed to even charge for VAT. In that case, you can still sell your product at a competitive price and help build your business so you become successful. So there is a lot that we need to be grateful for in respect of this reform, it is something that has been really talked about for years now. And I think it is this government that really has had the opportunity to be able to implement this. And this is a great thing. So these are the things that you must understand. Let me hear from you in the comment section. Which of the areas of VAT you like? What improvements do you think we can make? Are there some items that you think they are charging VAT on that we shouldn't charge VAT on? Put it in the comment section or the chat box for me, and I will look at them and we continue the conversation there. So if you learned something from this video, remember to like, follow, subscribe, and share the video so that others can also see this. Most importantly, let me hear from you if there are any questions you have, or if you have any topic that you would want me to cover on the next episode, leave it in the comment section. I want to read from you. If you want to enroll as well in our courses to study under my mentorship for your ICA, ACCA, CIMA, or ICAG examination, you can head on to our website, NhyiraPremium.com, or download the Nhyira Premium mobile application on the Google Play Store or the App Store to complete your enrollment. You can also send us a message on WhatsApp or call us 050-114-9296. 050-114-9296. Complete your enrollment today to join our community. Let me hold your hand, provide you with the blueprints that you need with the team here. Let us assist you. This is our mission. This is what we do. This is what we are called for. And we have the resources, the skills, the expertise needed to help you to pass the examination. So visit our website, NhyiraPremium.com, to read more about us. Or better still, download the Nhyira Premium mobile application on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. You want to get personal? Hit us with a DM or send us a message on WhatsApp 050-114-9296. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.